Assalamualaikum and good day to the respected chairperson and panel members and fellow participants. My name is Muhammad Hasrul bin Hakimi and I am a lecturer at Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin. Today I will present our study titled Beyond Efficiency, Document Management and Ease of Use as Drivers of Student Perceptions in Digital Attendance Systems. This study focused on the use of digital attendance record management, particularly how students' attendance is recorded, together with supporting documents such as medical certificate, exemption letters and other absence-related record among students in Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin, Perlis and also Polytechnic Merlimau, Melaka. Next slide. In higher education today, digital systems play an important role in improving administrative processes. One important practice is digital attendance record management, where attendance is recorded together with supporting documents such as medical certificate, exemption letters, and other justification documents for absence. This replaces traditional manual methods, which are time-consuming and prone to errors. However, the success of this system depends not only on the technology, but also on how students perceive its effectiveness. According to the Technology Acceptance Model or TAM Davis 1989, users are more likely to accept a system if it is useful and easy to use. Next slide. Despite the use of digital attendance system, there are still several issues or problems. Managing documents such as MC, exemption letters and absence records can be difficult if the system is not well designed. In addition, there is a limited research focusing on student perception in Malaysian Polytechnic. Although factors like document management, ease of use, time and cost saving are commonly discussed, it is unclear which factors has the strongest influence on system effectiveness. Therefore, this study aims to address this gap. Next slide. This study is guided by three main objectives. First, to examine the students' perception of the effectiveness of digital attendance record management. Second, to analyze the relationship between document management, ease of use, and time and cost saving with innovation effectiveness. Third, to identify the most significant predictor influencing systems' effectiveness. These objectives help us understand not only whether the system works, but also which factor contributes the most to its success. Next slide. Based on previous study, document management refer to how the system handles documents such as MC and exception letters, including storage, organization, and retrieval. Ease of use refers to how easy it is for users to interact with the system, Davis 1989, and time and cost saving refers to efficiency gained from reducing manual processes. These three factors are commonly used to evaluate digital system effectiveness. Next slide. So, in this study, document management, ease of use, and time and cost saving are independent variables. The influence innovation effectiveness as the dependent variables. This framework allows us to test which factor has the strongest impact. Next slide. This study used a quantitative approach. Data was collected using a questionnaire via Google Forms. Total of 100 students from Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin Perlis and Polytechnic Merlimau Melaka participated. Purposive sampling was used, meaning only students who have experience managing digital attendance records and submitting supporting documents were selected. The questionnaire used 5-point Likert scale covering 4 constructs. Next slide. The demographic results show that 80% of respondents are female, 80%. 77% are from Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin. 73% are semester 4 student. And 58% are from diploma in secretaryship. This indicates the most respondents are active users of the system. Next slide. The reliability test. The reliability test shows innovation effectiveness alpha equal to 0.9 946, which is excellent reliability. Document management alpha equals to 0.921, which is excellent. Ease of use alpha equals to 0.915, which is excellent. Time and cost saving alpha equals to 0.728, which is acceptable. Values above 0.70 indicate reliable data. Next slide. The descriptive results show that innovation effectiveness mean. We look at the mean number value. Innovation effectiveness mean equals to 4.55, which is in high agreement. Document management mean equal to 4.53, which is very high certification. Ease of use mean equal to 4.39, which is high usability. Time and cost saving mean equal to 3.74, which is moderate level. So this indicates the students are highly satisfied with how the system manage documents such as MC and exemption letters. Okay. Now we look at the correlation analysis. Okay. Document management. Document management R equals to 0.869, which is very strong relationship. P is less than 0.01, which is insignificant. Ease of use R equals to 0.668, which is a strong relationship. P is less than 0.01, which is significant. Time and cost saving are equal to 0.041, which is very weak relationship. P is greater than 0.01, which is not significant. This indicates that effective handling of documents such as MC exemption letters strongly influence system effectiveness. Next slide. We look at the regression analysis. The regression analysis show that document management, let's take a look at the document management, beta equal to 0.723, which is strongest predictor. P is less than 0.001, highly significant. Ease of use, beta is equal 0.249, which is moderate effect. P is less than 0.001, significant, still significant. Time and cost saving, beta equals to negative 0.085, which is weak effect. P equals to 0.089, not significant. This confirms that document management is the most important factor. So, in conclusion, digital attendance record system are effective because the value of mean equals to 4.55 and document management is the strongest factor because the value of beta is equal to 0.723. Ease of use is also important because the value of beta equals to 0.249, and time and cost saving is not significant because P greater than 0.05. Therefore, system design should focus on usability and document management. For the future research, it is recommended to include staff perspectives, use qualitative methods such as interviews, and expand to more institutions. So, that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a nice day.